So we're here with Jay at the flying field with the Zhujiang F280 sport helicopter. I flew this, just did some hovering around because that's about the limit of my skill with proper RC helicopters, and this is a proper collective pitch sport helicopters. So it doesn't come with a radio, you need to provide the receiver as well. So anything with S-Bus, I think. So I've plugged in a DSM-2 satellite receiver into this, into the board, and set up as per the instructions the Radio Master TX16S that you are holding in your hand.
Yep.
So I've got an arming switch and 3 head speeds as well as rates as well.
Just disclaimer, I have not flown this. And it's been set up by Dom.
I know.
Who doesn't fly helis.
It will fly awesome.
But one really cool thing with these helis that we're seeing more and more is their direct drive motor. So there's no gearbox, no belt, nothing to brake in sort of regular flying. So there's so little maintenance to these. You know, the motor is directly driven. You can see that quite a large motor at the bottom there.
Yeah.
Yeah, no gearboxes or to strip or pinions to strip, etc. So
No, and to stress, it comes fully assembled. You just have to slide the boom into the main fuselage and lock it in place. Put the main blades on, which are pre-balanced.
yeah.
And then you get a number of, well, it depends what option you select when you buy it, but you get a number of lithium polymer packs as well. Okay, so
Let's give it a whirl.
Let's give it a whirl. I'm going to stand back.
So do you know, does it go into idle up as well? Or do you not know if idle up works?
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're saying. Don't start.
So when you flick this switch and the head speed goes up,
Yes.
does the head speed stay the same at negative pitch, or does it cut the motor?
No, it stays the same, I think.
Okay.
You're going to have to disarm it to cut the motor.
Oh, so as soon as I arm it, it'll start spinning up?
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's
Okay.
fine.
All right, hold on. Let me put this in manual mode.
So I've got, how much negative pitch is set up on it? Not a lot. So it probably won't fly upside down.
Okay. Well, we can tweak that, can't we, after?
So I wasn't aware that it's self-stabilising.
Oh, okay.
You didn't tell me that bit, Tom.
I didn't know that.
It felt very strange for a moment. So that's full forwards.
Okay.
So it definitely won't go upside down. Unless changing in the mode changes
Oh, you know what? That might be on another switch.
that. Oh, okay.
So let's fly it around like this. And then land, and let's have a look and see if I configured the mode switch. Right, so on here definitely the kill switch is the one at the back.
This one, yeah.
Yes, and then you've got
This one's head speed, you said?
head speed. And if we go into model, if you go across and see if I've got any modes configured under mixes.
Mode, channel 5.
Which is on what switch?
Source, mode.
Huh?
It just says source mode.
Yeah, But it must be, okay, so go back to inputs then. Maybe the switch is configured on the input.
Top button.
Oh, sorry. Has that channel got a switch?
Mode. It's SC, this one.
There you go. Told you that.
So what's going to happen when I flick this switch?
I have no idea whatsoever.
Okay.
But the default was stabilised.
Okay.
Well, what do you mean by stabilised?
So when I let go of the stick, so when I took off, it felt very strange because it was sort of drifting, but whenever I put a correction in, it would then go back to
Level.
trying to keep level,
Okay.
which I wasn't expecting.
Like angle mode on
Yeah,
that?
like angle mode, yeah.
All right, all right.
And I wasn't expecting that, so it felt very strange. Right, let's try again, Joe. I'm very scared to flick the switch. I'm going to try the head speed one first, actually.
Oh, God. I find that more terrifying.
Okay, that hasn't changed anything. That didn't change the head speed at all.
Oh, there definitely is a head speed switch. Oh, it definitely is. You're...
Definitely not doing anything. Okay, that's stabilisation off for sure. That's now a helicopter.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that's now normal.
Okay. And definitely, I thought that one was the head speed.
No, it's not.
No? Unless I did it on SA.
I mean, that head speed's fine anyway.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I don't want you to flick something and it fall out of the sky.
I did it once and it was like, oh my God, it doubled the head speed. It was... Nice loopy-loop.
So I think it's probably got quite a lot of performance in it though. We'll try a punch out.
Yeah.
Quite a bit. And that's relatively low head speed compared to what it can do as well. Yeah, I haven't got quite enough negative pitch to hold inverted.
Okay. That's we'd have to change the pitch curve
Yeah.
for that.
So
Good to
if
know.
I go full inverted, if I go full power inverted, it's
Just holding
it.
Okay. So this is a proper collective pitch heli. If you want to try collective pitch helicopters, this is this would be a great thing to get hold of compared to the GPS enabled helicopters that we're seeing more and more of, where you can't do these type of aerobatics. So just have a quick look, see if there's a head speed check on the mixes.
Model.
Pitch,
no, so you've got pitch and mode. Pitch is on SE, which is that one. So it's
Okay.
not doing anything. So yeah, I think we just need to play around with some values.
Oh, okay. All right.
In fact, every switch position is 100%. So.
All right. So there we go. This is Zhujiang's latest sport helicopter, the Sport F280. Look, the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment, but pretty easy to set up. And on an earlier video, which I will link, I showed you the how to set up your transmitter, particularly if it's a TX16S. But thanks very much for that, Jason.
No problem.
Appreciate the demo. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll be back on Essential RC soon. That's goodbye from us.
See you
Bye.
later.